Officer Foster, please report to staff training.
I'm with you.
Talk reporting. Entry team, suspects have taken refuge in the area and are refusing to cooperate.
Wounded civilian
Move in.
stable and prep for evac.
Talk to Element. Copy. Clean house and we'll take them out.
Hands on your head, do it now!
Shit, here, we need help.
Let me see those hands!
I ain't doing shit.
Police, hands on your head! Police,
FTP,
down
man.
on the ground!
You know what that
Police,
means.
you're under arrest! Police, don't move!
I ain't doing
Arrest him.
I'll get them ready. Talk to entry team. Affirmative, entry team.
We need help.
Get down and watch these hands! On my stick. Ready to go. Hands up above your head!
Hey, we're over here. Help.
Now!
Talk to Element. Roger. Trailers inbound. Talk to entry team. Great work, entry team. Keep it up.
Please, I can't feel my hands.
Provide support.
Yeah, officer, these cuffs are kind of tight.
You have to call the paramedics.
Element to talk. We got a dead civilian here.
Talk reporting. Roger that, entry team. Tag him and keep moving.
Here, help.
Put your hands
Please.
up! Restrain him.
Help.
We're not here for you.
Are those handcuffs?
Talk to entry team. Copy that. Trailers
LSPD,
incoming.
don't move! Fall in behind me. I got you. Police, get down! Relax.
Officer, these cuffs are too tight.
Entertainer top. Suspect in custody. Ready for transport.
This is Talk.
Evidence secured.
Copy, entry team. Notifying trailers.
talk. One civilian down.
Talk to entry team. Roger, entry team. Notifying medical.
Oh yeah, he's dead. Stiff as a board.
Ain't nothing new to me. LSP, get down! Contact down! Gonna back it up.
Down on the ground, now! Stay on me. Secure the gun.
On your stick, perimeter secure.
Enter the room and clear.
Getting into position.
Breathing.
He's on the right. To the left.
Nothing. Safe.
I think. He's hit.
There are lives on the line. Watch it.
Please help me.
Get down and
Talk reporting. Mission objective failed. Roll in. Talk to element. Affirmative, entry team.